Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing about the preform winner, where we will be able to very quickly perform the dimensional analysis of the sample. So we have already made a detailed video for the preforms, the bottles and different automotive section samples also in terms of nut bolts, fasteners. So right now I want to show you one of the very good feature of this equipment, that is quick test. Whenever customer wants to just quickly see that is it complying to the master or not, they do not want to make a formal report, we have a facility here. So this will go in the quick test section. Right now I will be using 3 different samples to showcase that how you can have a full dimensional analysis of that sample. Okay. For example, one, I have a preform. I have placed the preform on the placement area. Here it is taking the optical image of the sample and it is converting it into the software algorithms. And then the proper or in the microns or in you can get the details of this sample. So right now, for example, I want to check for this preform. I will save this profile. And let's say I want to check the diameter of the preform. I've clicked on the 2 points and you can see it is showing 15.99. It is approximately a 16 mm. And you can zoom out the screen also. Those facility you have if you want to see the specific section. Okay, this is the one. Apart from this, anything else, I want to check the thread dia, so that also I can check. Let's say I want to check for this collar dia. We'll click the 2 points. You don't need to be very precise, just approximately points you need to take. Machine has a facility of edge detection where it will automatically detect the edge and will give you the precise sample diameter which right now you want. So for the collar dia it's 25 mm. If I say edge detection, what it means that even if you are clicking here a little side, it will take the edge of the samples which you actually want to take. Okay, this is a very fast way to perform the test. This is the thing which I'm getting, the collar dia. Now let's say I want to perform for any other sample. I have a bolt. This I can place, or I can place it like this. Okay, so this is the placement. Now I want to check the threads of it. So this is very precise to check. So how I can check? Just I will click on save and I want to check the distance between the 2 points. You can see it is 1.02 mm. So it is matching the all or not. The whole thread height of the sample you can check starting from this point to this point, let's say the last you want to check. So this is showing 29.95 mm. This is very quick to perform the analysis, the sample. The last, let's say again I'm doing the test for this nut. Placed it like this and I want to check the inner diameter or the outer diameter. Very easily I can do it. We'll click on save. We'll click on distance. Let's say ID I want to check. It is coming a proper or not. So you can see it is showing 8.6 mm. From this end to this, because in this these are the parts which I wanted to check. So it is showing 18.7 mm. Let's say for this sample I want to check the another portion. Let's say it's 3D profile. So just I will place the sample rather than like this. I will rotate it this way. Now it's very easy to check what is the thickness of it. So this is how you can perform the quick test of any sample here and detect the profile of that sample. This was the feature of quick test. Thank you so much.